but still siyaphuma. Then now sesiphumile angithi now phasa omunye umntwana angiyi-understand mina le. Now ufuna mina ngiyi-understand ezinye izinto angeke uzi-understand. Hayi uLhlaku and u-Allende, you need to close down this space, my man, because if they find the man, they find him with a pass, we are dead. Sleeping on duty. Baphumile. Watch Mr. Miyagi always finds himself free. Bafethu. Free. Bennett Mukweli. Oh, what a pass. What a pass. Look at this boy. You can see Uguti, it's 2 against 1. Why don't you go there? Why ungayenzi run phambili? Ufuna ukusala la. Sanibonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, RB Leipzig 1. Yes, it was a friendly game, but it was a beautiful game to watch. I'm not going to see in too much into details, yada yada, this and that. But in Sundowns, there are players that need to go at the end of the season, next week, so that you give the youngsters more game time. Like Johannes needs to go. Next season, Ithapelo Morena needs to play only one position. You need to sign another winger. You need to uzodlala position A2. Say iyamkhathaza because every time when he does that, he gets injured a lot. Give Lukaku more opportunities up front, but still they need to sign a winger. They definitely need to sign someone up front on the side, right? Now, let's start. Sundowns, we all know they are 4-2-3-1, right? And then this team, FC RB Leipzig, they came in with a 4-1-2-3. Now, in Sundowns, you have 1, 2, 3 defenders. The fourth defender, Naila Paya. This is the defender. Now, you have Lukaku playing as a right wing. For me, this is actually it's a good thing. But when you are this player, you need to be halfway. You need to be halfway between these guys. So he needs to be here. Why I say that? So that this guy here can be confused. Guti, am I picking this guy or am I picking Lukaku? Kahle Sundowns, when they have the ball, it's a 3-2-4-1. So these four, they need to be like bame straight. Yes, obviously, during a game, I'm going to straight in a straight line. Now watch. You see, information yalaba, it's a 4-1-2-3. Now let's play. What Masidlala awukhona ukudlala or give us options are right. You always wenza izinto ezirong. Masimaka wenza izinto ezirong. I show you during the video. I bafethu mina understand. Ezinye izinto understand. Coming in here, bekumfana omncane uziyakutshela ukuthi no, hlala la, because you are not supposed to ukuthi ungene phakathi. You are supposed to be here. You are the one who was supposed to be here. And then Lukaku, he was the one who was supposed to ukuthi angene or Ben Mukwena kube huyo uzofuna ibhola la. Not wena. Because now you don't know which wenzani. You don't know which wenzani. But still, siyaphuma. Then now, sesiphumile. Angithi. Now, phasa omunye umntwana. Angiyi-understand mina le. Now, ufuna mina ngiyi-understand. Ezinye izinto angeke uzi-understand. Phasa omunye umntwana kube yi-1 against 1. It's that simple. Yini le enye oyifunayo? You're trying to be creative. You're trying to be smart. For no reason. Phasa omunye umntwana la. Now you ufuna ukupasa la where it's more difficult. Now la sesibaningi it's one angazi, it's 1-3. Why ungabonga pass ibhola laphaya? Umntwana abantu uyakhangela. You don't want to pass a simple pass. When you play against European teams, you need to be compact. You need to close down the passing lanes. One mistake, you're gonna cry. One mistake, you're gonna cry. Hey, nabo Johannes nabo. Okay, sharp. Shaulile uyapressa, upressa you-1. You ngeke ulwini ibhola upressa you-1. Now uLitlhaku here, he needs to be here. You need to close down this. You see this space here between uLitlhaku and Allende. You need to close down this space, my man, because if they find the man, they find him with a pass, we are dead. Sleeping on duty. Baphumile. Now, you can't be sitting, you are a defender, and then you defend like this. Bafethu, no matter what you are avoiding, no matter what you are avoiding a penalty. The man is coming one against one. What are you going to do? Set yourself properly. You need to set yourself properly. You can't be good umuntu yamiyekela adlule. It's 1 against 1. You do this. Sugar. When you play against these guys, one mistake, one mistake, you get punished. I want you to watch something. Look at Allende. They got your press a lot. He thought they're gonna pass the guy. He thought they're gonna pass this guy. Now you need to go back and be behind him. Now watch what happens. They keep the ball. Allende ume side to side. Ume side to side. It's not the way you should be picking up. What happens? Striker drops in deep. Kuvuleka ispace la. Kuvuleka umgodi. Our right back he push ile. Now what happens? Almost scored. This guy should have passed the ball. He was greedy here. Should have passed the ball here. It's either we are shy or we are passer. If he passes the ball there, this is what I talk about. Mankhuluma ngokuthi pass someone who is in a better position. This guy, he's in a better position. It's either we are shy, not to achieve. We are shy or we are passer. Should have passed there. Or a shy. Yeah, try to be fancy there. You try to be fancy, Mfanagiti. Just watch. Pass the ball la. Uphumile Mfanagiti. Pass the ball. Mara, I don't think umbonile. Okay, I don't think umbonile. But at least bekumele ukuthi ushayile again. Johannes. Oh. What Johannes mara? Okay. Nangu ushawulile. Ufuna ukupressa i1. Angeke shawulile upress i1. Angeke upress i1. Ushawulile. Nangu ushawulile. The wrong way of pressing, my man. He tried this in the first 5 minutes. Still, bheka manje the space bayapasa baphumile. Ushawulile. Nangu ushawulile. Okay, sharp. But yeah, I'm focusing on it defending. But Johannes. We defender nice. Defender ngafuna ukulimala. Beautiful shot, beautiful goal there. Mara bo Johannes, ufuna uyidefend njani wena engafuna ukulimala? Awufuna ukuthintwa wena. Bafethu. One of the players that needs to go, uShawulile. Nangu uShawulile. Yeah, he's done a lot for his Sundowns, but it's chai. Ichayile Mfanagiti. Sundowns yenzani? Yaphuma. He needs to give space for this boy. He needs to give space. Out of all the Sundowns youngsters, this boy, Bennett Mokoena, he's the player, when I saw him play this season, he was the only player I was like, no, this boy, he's ready. Right? He's ready. It's just that there was too much going on like Sundowns, too much pressure. He doesn't do a lot of mistakes, this boy. He doesn't do a lot of mistakes. Yeah, all players make mistakes, passing the ball incorrectly, but tactically, He's technically sound. He's technically sound. He's not as talented as this guy, but this guy, we are a Forster la. Yeah, it's a good thing which you are trying to go and score. But we won Ushaulile la fire. Okay, sharp. Now a chance is shoot. Elval. Shoot. Now you want to shoot. There's no way you'll score. It's time of it. It's time to go. You had a chance to shoot today. You don't shoot. Okay, sharp. You are Val. You have a chance to shoot. Now, okay, sharp. No masebati, I'm being harsh, kanja. Ne? You are not facing amapalo wako. You trying to score la. It's no masekshiwo, guys. Guy 2, you were facing ama goal pole. Azangu shy. Now, so pegele amapali na wale. Ufuna ukushaya kanje. Sundowns had a great chance to score. Unfortunately, Mr. Miyagi shayela ngaphandle. Now, watch Mr. Miyagi opening up his space. Kuvuleka space. 1-2. The pass could have been better. This pass could have been better. Okay, sharp. Game continues. Say Forster, ball comes back to us. Let's keep the ball. Keep the ball. Ball rotation. Ball rotation. Ipola liphuma ngapha. We have to switch it. Switch the ball. Comes to the right hand side. Now, look at into ngihlale ngisho. If the ball moves, ispace sizovuleka. Now, ispace isivulekile la. Mnike mpana kithi. Mnike. It's that simple. Unlucky there. But the move comes after Olithaka afuna ukwenza into difficult. Why bungamnikeza omunye umntwana lapha? You still want to hold on to the ball. When you are a defender and you know ukuthi awuna pace, you don't have speed. Timing, Banagit, timing. Lipsik takes a quick free kick. Angit. Skapres, Banagit. Batlo see ya. Batlo see ya, Banagit. Batlo see ya. Timing. When you know ukuthi awuna pace, you need the timing. There's no need for you to umpress elomutlo. Because umpressa. We are pressure and it's too late. You trying to go in there, but he's got control of the ball. He pushes the ball. We actually second half. You know, this game, it would have been interesting if Sundowns had their strong players, the Bafana players. It would have been nice to see. Sundowns made changes in the second half and they had 2 chances to get a goal. In the first 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Now, watch Mr. Miyagi always finds himself free. But free. Bennett Mukwele. Oh, what a pass. What a pass. Look at this boy. Finds himself. Yes. Was telling a man's. Oh. Beautiful movement. Beautiful save by the keeper. Now, bias attack. We need to communicate. These are 2 central defenders. Angit. Ukoza needs to tell Ukekana to go there. Angiti sekam makile lo. Angiti sekam makile. La is 2 against 3. So he needs to go and push. Communication. Wafethu. Dlala kanjani ningakhulumi? Central defenders angakhulumi. Go again, we attack again. Now, I want you to watch isandla saka Shaulile la. Watch uShaulile telling uMatthews ukuthi pass the ball there, because what I always say ukuthi, as a striker, you need to make the run there to open up his space here. This boy, very smart. Let me take it back. This boy recognizes ukuthi kune space la, uya kuso. Dangerous cross by uMatthews laphaya, almost an on goal. But as a striker, you make your run to first pole, you open up his space, move la where uMokoena beka khona, and uMatthews could have passed him the ball, but he tried to cross for Shaolin. I'm not sure what you guys noticed in the first half or the starting lineup. Say Lipsia, those guys are big and strong, right? Big and strong and tall. Now you must ask yourself, Uguti, why as South Africa or South African players, a lot of players haven't played Bundesliga. It's because of our structure, our body structure. The only guy that plays Bundesliga and he plays second division, Uakon, Ungaganani. He's big and he's strong. Tina, structure says keep twin Kinyana more. That's why most of our players don't go Bundesliga. It's something that we need to work on. Now, most fans are Kalangayo, Matthews. Is his finishing? Yeah, what a pass. Yeah, we get the idea. We get what you're trying to do. And then, but finish guys, and Panagit. I can just say, oh, hey, you tried, good idea. If Ulion can recognize Guti, most amakolo akhe, ama tap in, and always njalo, he must go there. He'll score a lot of goals. He can even score 30 goals like that. Look who's always free. Mr. Miyagi. Forget about it. Beautiful movement, yes and down. Watch Leon. Bafethu. You are a striker. You are the one who's supposed to be there, running to the first pole. Yeah? If this guy can recognize Guti Njalo, he must run, or Ayenze Njalo, every time. He can score a lot of goals. Just watch him. Yeah? Just watch him. We are more Guti. In this scenario, he doesn't want to go to first pole. Ufuna receive a penalty spot. For why? Watch him. Angithi ibhola liya laphaya. So run. You can see la ukuthi it's two. You can see ukuthi it's 2 against 1. Why don't you go there? Why ungayenzi run phambili? Ufuna ukusala la. Bonga Kora laphaya mfanakithi could have easily scored his second goal, but because ufuna ukuza la, Sundowns' second goal comes from a mistake from the centre back. When you are a centre back or when you are a player, you must not charge nebola kaningi kakhulu, especially if you are a defender. You can't charge nebola kakhulu. This is too much. Now you pass it. This boy Ukekana, very smart. Uza in front of the midfield. We win the ball. Bennett Mokoena. What a pass. Simple, Bafethu. Simple. You can't always when ufuna ukuthola ibhola penalty spot. You are a striker. Hlukumeza lama defender laphaya. If you go in front of those defenders, uvuli spacing up for the guys coming back. It's that simple, Bafethu. Ayikonzima lento le. Ayikonzima this thing. If you make the correct runs, you'll always score as a striker. Always score. Yeah, you make the run there. Pass. Because that's why, guys. When someone has the ball, SIT, they're always looking to cross the ball in front first. Because that's the easy part. Because Mawuzolibeka ku penalty spot, there's bodies there ku penalty spot. But if you play the ball in between the goalkeeper and the defender. Simple. Go to the first pole as a striker. Another thing Matthews, it is finishing and decision making yakhe. Qedile uphumile, Here he passes the ball. There's no need to pass the ball la, because he's going to pass the ball and then see a lose, right? Akekho umuntu so far oyenze i-run right. So what you need to do as a player, you push the ball so that one of these defenders can commit. If no one is committing, then you push until someone commits, but he decides to pass. There was no need for you to pass the ball there, Matthew. No need for you to pass. Cross, on goal. On goal. Why? Because the striker went in there. He made a run. But this thing is simple. This thing is simple. Just made difficult by soccer players. Made difficult by soccer players. For no reason. For no reason. Now, where is this angle? But always as a striker, make the run there, because you are putting the defenders, you are putting defenders in trouble. If they don't clear the ball correctly, if they don't clear the ball correctly, hey, basenkingeni. This is a dangerous zone, dangerous cross here. One slight touch, goal. So we 2-1. Final clip. Sundowns didn't start the season very well. Played a draw against Chipa, but they end the season. Kamnandi, champions of Africa, they win this game. They score a beautiful goal. This goal doesn't happen because of two players. Kekana, the midfielder, no Allende, Mr. Miyagi. They receive the ball 8 times. They don't touch the ball 8 times. They receive it 8 times. There's a difference between receiving the ball and touching the ball. But the most important player is Allende. Holding the ball holding the ball for more than 2 seconds. Very special. Now let's start. I'm gonna count how many times Allende receives the ball. 1. Uzovela, always that third man, always free. 2. Bola lenzani, bola libuyele emuva. Uzoyenzani, look for his space ukuthi sikuphi. 3. Hold on to the ball. Mr. Miyagi bafethu. 4. 5. Bafethu. Always finding his space. 6. Bafethu. Mr. Miyagi. Always scan. You always scan. 7. Always scan, always know what's happening around you. Now Matthew special dlisa la. Luckily bayenzani, they win it back. 8. Now let's go and score. Da, ba. Pagat. Inside. This boy could have chosen to pass the ball. He had a chance to pass the ball here, but he doesn't pass the ball. Beautiful goal. Beautiful finish. He has the chance to pass the ball here, but uthini? Madala, makancane, phola. Ba. Phakathi, inside. Beautiful team goal. From the back, keeping the ball. You can't blame Leipzig because Sundowns has a player Ifano Allende where he always avails himself. The third man, uhlala velile. Very difficult to contain a team in a play njalo. Thank you for watching bafethu. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Ngiyabonga.